Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to the series of the lectures of 10th class maths. We have started the topic that is applications of trigonometry in our previous session. With the continuation of that, let us do a few more complicated problems of heights and distances. Right? In our last class, we did only few problems that is based on only single triangles. What if we have two triangles? Right? How to solve? Which triangle is to be taken first? Okay. Those kind of questions let us solve today. Now see here the question given here, it is these are all of second exercise question. Fine. A 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of a temple which is 30-meter height. Okay. See here, don't forget to draw the diagram. Before drawing the diagram, once at least read the whole question at least for once. Okay. Then start drawing from the second time. Okay. अब देखो इधर 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of a temple which is 30 meter height from a point at a certain distance. Okay. For example, if I am standing here, the temple is somewhere there which is a distance at certain distance. Okay. And the height of a temple is somewhere 30 meter. I am looking at the top of the temple. ओके अब देखो इधर कोई बॉय ऐसा खड़ा है और थोड़े डिस्टेंस में ही एक बड़ा टेम्पल है. इधर बॉय इज ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट ऑल 1.5 मीटर का हाइट है और ये आई साइड से उन्होंने डायरेक्ट वो टेम्पल के टॉप को देख रहा है. राइट. व्हाट इज द एंगल हियर? एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. ओके अब देखो नेक्स्ट, द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन फ्रॉम हिज आइज टू द टॉप ऑफ द क्राउन. Crown is the top which you find that golden color का, right. The crown बोले तो वो टेम्पल के ऊपर कुछ गोल जैसा रहता, राइट. ये मेरा आई से उधर टॉप ऑफ द टेम्पल को एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 30 to 60, right, as he walks towards the temple. For example, if I am standing here, I will look it like that. If I move at some point, I have to look like this, right. The angle of elevation is being increasing, right. Similar way, it is move as he is moving towards the temple, the angle is becoming as 30 to 60 degrees. Then he is asking us to find till what distance the boy moved. Okay. Now see here, read the question again. A 1.5 meter tall boy, 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of a temple which is 30 meter height from a point at a certain distance. थोड़ी डिस्टेंस के बाद एक 30 मीटर का टेम्पल, दिस होल टेम्पल इज ऑफ 30 मीटर height. Okay, this person is looking at the top of the temple like this. Is it clear? This whole height is 30 meter. Then he tells that the angle of एलिवेशन इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम 30 to 60, राइट. इधर एंगल क्या है? एंगल कैसे मेजर करेंगे? इधर विल मेजर बाय ड्राइंग अ हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन. हियर इट इज 30. ओके. इधर से इधर तक मूव होने के बाद द एंगल जो है वो 60 बनेगा, राइट. इधर से इधर तक आने के बाद ये एंगल 60 बन गया. ओके, राइट. यू कैन इवन इमेजिन if I am seeing from this point to there, I will see like this, right, at this point. After moving a point, if I want to see the same point, I have to bend the angle like this, isn't it? Yes or no? That's why the angle is being increased. Okay. Now see here, he walks towards the temple. Find the distance he walked. We have to find this distance. Is it clear? Shall we do? Now see here, let us give the names for, let us give the names like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Hope you got the answer how to do, right. कैसे करना है इधर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये पूरा वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करके और इसका वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करके सब्ट्रैक्ट करे तो विल गेट दिस. ओके. कितने राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल्स है इधर? बोलो. Triangle AGF and triangle AGE. Okay, did you understand? What is given? 30 angle is given. क्या दिया है उन्होंने? एंगल दिया और ऑपोजिट साइड दिया. और क्या फाइंड आउट करना है हमें? हमें इधर ये नीचे का एडजेसेंट फाइंड आउट करना है. ऑपोजिट बाय एडजेसेंट इज नथिंग बट tan theta. Is it right? Did you understand? That's what we have to do. And one more thing here, in this triangle, this whole height of a temple is 30 meter, right? But the person is seeing from the height, which means we are calculating from the eyesight. Then what will be the actual height of this length? EG will be 30 minus 1.5, that will be 28.5 meter. Did you understand? Fine, right? That is, let us write everything now. Solution, given height of a temple as, or else let us assume everything, this is x and this is whole thing is BD. You can directly solve, you need not write all other things. We can directly write from figure triangle AGE is a right angle triangle. Triangle AGE, what is tan 30? Tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent. What is opposite here? GE by what is adjacent here? AE. Okay, directly लिख सकते ये पूरा given. Okay, you can write, but they will calculate from here itself, right? अब देखो इधर ये पूरा फिगर में AGE एक राइट एंगल है, वो राइट एंगल में से ये 30 को tan 30 लिए तो ये ऑपोजिट GE बनेगा और ये एडजेसेंट AE. ओके, अब देखो tan 30 का वैल्यू क्या है? tan 30 का वैल्यू इज 1/√3 इज इक्वल टू GE का वैल्यू कितना है इधर? 28.5 बाई AE. अब देखो A का वैल्यू क्या है इधर? 28.5√3 मीटर. एक इसका वैल्यू है इधर AE बोले तो ये पूरा इसका वैल्यू 28.5√3. Okay, how did we calculate? We calculated by using tan 30 का value, that is opposite by adjacent. Okay, now let us take one more triangle. This is one triangle and next triangle is this small triangle, triangle FGE. Triangle FGE, angle is tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to, again opposite by adjacent. What is opposite here? GE. Adjacent here is FE. Is it right? What is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 value क्या है? √3 is equal to G. Again G का value क्या है इधर? 28.5 divided by FE. FE का value हम find out करने का है. अब देखो इधर क्या होगा? FE is equal to 28.5 by √3 meter. Okay, अब देखो इधर, this is my 28.5 by √3, right? अब कौन सा वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है हमें? हमें ये BC, that is the path through which he walked. Okay, that is BC is equal to the total BD में से ये BC निकाल दिए तो I will get the value of BC. Okay, और एक बार देखो इधर, ये टोटल का वैल्यू 28.5√3 और इसका वैल्यू 28.5/√3. ये दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो मुझे ये पार्ट मिलेगा. ओके, अब देखो इधर, you can directly write, therefore BC is equal to 28.5√3 minus 28.5/√3. Okay, you can directly subtract or you can directly solve, you can do in any way, or else if you know the value of √3, that is 1.732, you can even divide and simplify and solve it. Okay, okay, let us take LCM as √3. √3 into √3 will become 3. 28.5 into 3, how much will it become? 85.5, that is 85.5. 85.5 minus 28.5, how much will it become? 85 minus 28, that will be 57/√3. Even if you stop it there, it's okay. We can even simplify furthermore. We can directly rationalize it. What it will become? √3 into √3 is 3. 3 ones are 3 into 29s are, that is equal to 29√3 meter. That is what is the distance he travelled. Do you understand? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. The next question given here it is, a statue stands on the top of a 2-meter tall pedestal. I already told, whenever you solve a heights and distances problem, first read the whole question, try to understand the words in it, then visualize it, then while reading the question second time, directly draw the question. You people are not enough practiced, or you people are not that professional to draw the diagram in the first time itself. Okay, कभी भी applicants of trigonometry और heights and distances का problem करे तो question को 2 बार पढ़ना पड़ता. पहले बार ये पूरा क्वेश्चन एक बार पढ़ के और नॉर्मली जनरलाइज कर लीजिए वो क्या है, ये क्या है, कैसा रहता वो पूरा, और उसके बाद सेकेंड टाइम रीड करते हुए डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लेना. ओके, अब देखो इधर, अ स्टैचू स्टैंड्स ऑन द टॉप ऑफ अ 2-meter टॉल पेडेस्टल. पेडेस्टल बोले तो वो स्टेज जैसा रहता ना, वो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई हैव सम गांधीजी's statue, I'll have something kind of steps kind of thing, or else some kind of stage, that is nothing but the pedestal. Okay, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of a top of a statue is 60 degrees, right? There is some statue, right? There is some pedestal which is at a height of 2 meter. Okay, 2 meter का pedestal और उसके ऊपर बड़ा statue. Okay, on that there is some point which is at a distance, some distance. The height of the angle of elevation to the statue is 60 degrees. From the same point, the angle of elevation to the top of a pedestal is 45 degrees, right? For example, this pedestal is somewhere a 2 meter height, right? From this point, the angle of elevation to the top is 60 and the angle of elevation to the bottom of the statue, that is above pedestal. ओके, पेडेस्टल के ऊपर बोले तो वो स्टैचू के लेग्स के पास ही ना. ओके, स्टैचू के लेग के पास तक 45 डिग्रीज और हेड के पास तक 60 डिग्रीज. देन आई हैव टू फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द स्टैचू. ओके, नाउ सी हियर व्हाट इज गिवन. अ स्टैचू स्टैंड्स ऑन अ टॉप ऑफ अ पेडेस्टल. द पेडेस्टल इज समवेयर लाइक दिस. ओके, ऑफ हाइट 2 meter height pedestal. Okay, then from a point on the ground somewhere, if this is my ground. Okay, first of all we have to draw the statue, right? There is some statue like this. Okay, we can't draw the statue on the paper, at least do that. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees, right? ये point से ये top of the statue तक angle of elevation 60 degrees एक है. इधर से इधर 60 degrees. Okay, अब देखो इधर, from the same point, यही point से the angle of elevation of a top of a pedestal is 45. ये pedestal है, इसके top तक इधर से ये pedestal के ऊपर point को 45 degrees. Is it okay? Now tell me what is the height of a statue? Okay, अब देखो इधर, ये एक ही दिया है, ये 2 meter. I have to find this total height. I have to find this height. The same thing, let us give the name A, B, C, D. Okay, अब देखो इधर, A, B, C is a right angle triangle. Okay, and A, B, D is also a right angle triangle, right? In order to find this value, can I find this value? No, we can find this whole value, that is we can find BD, because this whole triangle is a right angle triangle. Fine. Before that, let us use this triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. In this particular triangle ABC, 45 is this angle, opposite is this. Can I find this adjacent? I can find, right? Now see here, tan 45 is equal to, what is the opposite here? BC by, what is adjacent here? AB. Is it right? ये tan 45 का वैल्यू क्या है? tan 45 का वैल्यू 1 और BC का वैल्यू पेडेस्टल का हाइट उन्होंने दिया कि 2 और AB ये बॉटम का वैल्यू, दैट इज AB. Okay, therefore let us cross multiply. I'll get the value of AB as 2 meters. Is it right? समझ में आ रहा ना? ये AB से का ट्राइंगल कंसिडर किए तो ये tan 45 इज इक्वल टू ये ऑपोजिट बाई ये एडजेसेंट. ऑपोजिट का वैल्यू क्या है? BC, वो 2 मीटर. एडजेसेंट का वैल्यू AB. ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किए तो AB का वैल्यू 2 मीटर. ओके, अब नेक्स्ट देखो, दूसरा ट्राइंगल, बड़ा ट्राइंगल ए बी डी, बड़ा ट्राइंगल ए बी डी, टैन, ये पूरा एंगल क्या है टैन 60, ऑपोजिट का वैल्यू बी डी बाय बेस का वैल्यू ए बी, राइट। हमें ये पूरा हाइट चाहिए क्या, नहीं, हमें ये थोड़ा डी सी चाहिए. So let us assume that what is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 value is root 3. BD value we don't know. What is the value of AB? AB value is 2. Okay. Now see here, from this can I write the value of BD as 2 root 3 meter? I can write, right? That's it. Now देखो इधर मुझे AB का value okay छोड़ दो. I got the value of BD here. फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर ये पूरा बी डी का वैल्यू मिल गया और ये थोड़ा बी सी का वैल्यू 2 मीटर. अब ये डी सी का हाइट फाइंड आउट करना है, वही हमारा हाइट ऑफ स्टैचू. देयरफॉर हाइट ऑफ स्टैचू इज व्हाट इज दैट सी डी, दैट इज इक्वल टू टोटल बी डी माइनस बी सी, दैट इज इक्वल टू टोटल बी डी क्या है 2 रूट 3 माइनस बी सी का वैल्यू क्या है इधर, बी सी का वैल्यू 2 मीटर, 2 कॉमन लिए तो इसका वैल्यू रूट 3 माइनस 1 मीटर. यू कैन अगेन राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ 1.732 एंड सिंप्लीफाई, इट्स ओके अप टू यू. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? देयर इज ऑल्सो वन काइंड ऑफ डायग्राम. डोंट जस्ट मार्क अप द डायग्राम्स. वी आर trying to solve different kinds of problem. The whole thing is we have to get two triangles. Okay, here is one point. In before question there was one point here, okay, and they were looking into the same point, and this question is from the same point they are looking into two different points on this height. Now let us do one more kind of problem. Okay, let us move on to the next problem. From the top of a building, the angle of elevation of a top of a cell tower, right? See here, there are two things, one is the building and one more thing is the cell tower, right? From this top to that top is 60 degrees and the angle of depression to its foot, till now we have not seen any depression questions, right? Now the depression is to foot, down is 45 degrees, above is 60 degrees. Then he is asking us to find the distance of building from the, and he told that the distance between the building and the tower is 7 meter and the height of the tower we have to find, right? अब देखो इधर ये बिल्डिंग के ऊपर से ये टावर का टॉप पॉइंट के लिए एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 60 डिग्री से और द फुट ऑफ द पॉइंट फुट पॉइंट के लिए 45 डिग्रीज एंगल, राइट? वो फुट ऑफ टावर के फुट से बिल्डिंग का फुट तक डिस्टेंस 47 मीटर है. अब हमें टावर का हाइट फाइंड करना है. अब देखो इधर, दिस इज द बिल्डिंग, this is the tower. He is telling that from this point the angle of elevation to the top of a tower is how much, 60 degrees, and the angle of depression to the bottom is 45 degrees, and if the distance between the building and the tower is 7 meter here, fine. What is that we have to find? We have to find this whole height of a tower, A, B, C, D, E, right? How do we find? See here, if this is 7, this is also 7. Hope you people know that, right? See here, if I consider this EAB as a right angle triangle, tan 60 is AB by EB, right? We can find this value, right? Fine. Again from this triangle, again opposite by adjacent, we can find this. If I add these, but I will get the height of a tower. Is it clear? There is also one more kind of diagram which you have to remember. Now see here, from triangle AEB, tan 60 is equal to AB by EB. What is tan 60? Root 3. What is AB? We have to find. What is EB? EB is 7 meter. From this I can write it as AB as 7 root 3 meter. Is it right? And the next, again from the other triangle, triangle ECB, triangle ECB, tan 45 is equal to opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? BC, adjacent is EB. What is tan 45? 1. What is BC? We don't know. What is EB? Again 7 meter. Therefore, BC is 7 meter. Is it right? Then what is the height of a tower? AC. Okay. Therefore, height of cell tower AC is equal to AB plus BC. AB plus BC, that is equal to, what is AB? 7 root 3. What is BC? 7. If I take 7 as common, I will get it as root 3 plus 1. This is the answer, right? How much time did we take to solve this, right? We didn't even solve within 2 minutes, right? और एक बार देखो इधर, ये ट्रायंगल में से, ये पूरा फिगर में से हम ये ए बी ट्रायंगल को लिए तो tan 60 इज ऑपोजिट बाय एडजेसेंट. ऑपोजिट क्या है इधर? ए बी. एडजेसेंट क्या है? ई बी. ई बी का वैल्यू 7 मीटर. ए बी वी हैव टू फाइंड. ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करें तो ए बी इक्वल 7 रूट 3 मीटर. ओके. और ई सी बी का देखो, ई सी बी में से tan 45 इज बी सी बाई ई बी, right? Tan 45 is 1. BC I have to find. EB is already given as 7. Therefore, BC is 7 meter. Therefore, the total AC is AB plus BC. I have to add those both to get this value, right? समझ में आ गए ना? और एक क्वेश्चन को करेंगे, और एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे. Fine. Let's do one more problem of this kind. The next question, there is the almost at most question which we can solve in this chapter. देखो इधर, the angle of elevation of a jet plane. Okay, the angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees, right? For example, jet plane is somewhere here. I am standing here. From this point, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. See here. After a flight of 15 seconds, right? It is moving in the air. That is called as flying, right? After flying of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30. Okay. Initially, it was somewhere here. After 15 seconds, it moved from here to here. Okay. Here I have to see, from here to here the point is 30 degrees. Okay. Then if the jet of a plane is flying at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meters, right? Let us assume this height of a plane is at a height of 1500 root 3. From here it is 1500 root 3, again also it is 1500 root 3. Then I have to find the speed of a jet flight. Okay. Now देखो इधर, the angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A. Let us assume this is my point A and this is some jet plane. The angle of elevation from this point, okay, ये jet plane को point A से angle of elevation कितना है इधर? 16 degrees. Okay, ये height कितना है इधर? It is moving at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meter. Okay, थोड़ी देर के बाद कितना 15 seconds के बाद this will move a flight, I mean this will move to a particular distance which is making an angle of 30 degrees. Okay. After some point this flight will make an angle of almost 30 degrees with the flight, and the height again will be 1500 root 3. Now what is that I have to find? I have to find this path, how much speed or how much time did it travel after 15 seconds. What is the speed of it? What is the speed ka formula? Speed ka formula is distance by time. Time is already given. We have to find the distance travelled from this to this. Let us assume B, C, D, E. Is that fine? अब देखो इधर कितने right angle triangles हैं? Triangle ACD and triangle ABE. Is it okay? Now see here, let us take from triangle ABE. What is it? This triangle ABE, tan 60 is opposite by adjacent. Is it okay? ये triangle ABE में से opposite by adjacent वही हमारा tan 60. Tan 60 is opposite क्या है इधर? BE by adjacent क्या है? AB. अब बोलो tan 60 का वैल्यू √3. B कितने दिए? हाइट 1500 √3 बाई AB का वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना है. ओके. अब देखो इधर ही लिख लेंगे. AB इज इक्वल टू 1500 √3 बाई √3. देयरफॉर आई गेट इट एज AB एज 1500 मीटर. इज इट ओके? अब देखो सेकेंड ट्राइंगल कौन सा है? ACD. ओके. देखो इधर, फ्रॉम ट्रायंगल ए सी डी, एंगल कितना है tan 30 इज इक्वल टू ऑपोजिट क्या है इधर सी डी बाई एडजेसेंट क्या है ए सी। tan 30 का वैल्यू 1/√3, सी डी क्या है 1500√3 बाई ए सी। अब बोलो ए सी का वैल्यू क्या होगा 1500 इंटू √3 इज 3, दैट इज नथिंग बट ए सी इज 4500 मीटर। अब देखो इधर ए सी पूरा डिस्टेंस का वैल्यू 4500 और ए बी का वैल्यू 1500। कैन आई फाइंड दिस वैल्यू बी सी? दैट्स इट राइट। द डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड बी सी इज इक्वल टू, ये पूरा ए सी में से ए बी सब्ट्रैक्ट करना, ए सी माइनस ए बी दैट इज इक्वल टू ए सी का वैल्यू क्या है 4500, ए बी का वैल्यू 1500 दैट इज नथिंग बट 3000 मीटर। Then what is the formula of speed? Speed is equal to distance travelled by time. Okay, what is the distance travelled here? Distance travelled is 300 meter, 3000 meter by time is how much is given? 15 seconds. Right, now see here 15 ones are 15 twos are, therefore that is 200 meter per second. Fine. By this question we have completed the chapter, that is applications of trigonometry. Right. What all we discussed in this chapter? We have discussed various kinds of problem, how to draw, and don't forget to draw this diagram. Right. ऐसे डायग्राम ड्रॉ नहीं किए तो आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्वेश्चन का आंसर ही नहीं मिलेगा। Is it clear? Fine. What all we discussed in this chapter? We have started with the basic definitions of angle of elevation, angle of depression. We started solving a basic problems of a single building or a single person looking at the top or bottom, right. After that we have seen few questions of two triangles in this session. Fine, clear. Hope everything is clear for this chapter, right. Fine, let us meet in the next session with a new chapter of 10th class. Thank you.